Liquid Snake! Did you like my sunglasses?
Alright guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Metal Gear Rex from the folks over at Kotobukiya. We're going to start with my impressions on the kit out of box because I feel that that's where a lot of the community lies. They're just looking to find out what this kit looks like and the pros and cons of it straight out of the box, and then we'll get into what I did with it painting wise. The first thing I want to say is this kit is beautifully detailed. There's so much going on the surface, and that's kind of where the out-of-box pros stop, in my opinion. The kit comes in 3 shades of gray. You have a dark gray for the detail bits, a lighter kind of off-white gray for the inner frame, and then this kind of just flat gray for literally every single one of the other parts. This is a good and bad thing. I mean, it just depends on your taste. Me personally, I like a little bit more going on, which this kit, color-wise just doesn't have. What it lacks in color separation, it obviously makes up in detail. There's so much going on. The legs can slide up and down. There's piston gimmicks on the inside of the legs. The problem is it's just kind of all covered up by the armor, and you won't really even see any of the cool detail that's on the inside of the legs. But again, the surface really makes up for all that lack of detail elsewhere. It does come with this nice display stand, which is cool. You'll see that once we get to the painted bits. Overall, I would say if you're a big fan of the Rex, then the $80 price tag might not scare you off, seeing what it looks like out of the box. Again, it's just really plain. That's my only complaint out of the box. Painted, however, my lord, I love this thing. I think this thing looks great. It's one of my favorite kits that I've painted. Really proud of the work that I did on it. You'll see we did use the camo pattern that is in the manual. Now, it's not a pattern that you cut out. It's just pictures of what the camo should look like according to Canon. So I didn't follow it directly, but I think I did a pretty good job of showing roughly what it's supposed to look like. The other part, in the manual, it does show the yellow bits on the gun, and the other side as well. There's these yellow bits. Those do have panel lines that go with them, which is really nice, so it's not as hard to mask them off as it could be. The camo, however, you're just going to be doing a lot of masking. I think I went through half a roll of masking tape just getting the camo patterns that I put on there. The base is really nice. It's a little lacking. I mean, it does have these there's like nice vent details on it, which is cool. Overall, it can stand on its own, so you don't need the base. I just think that the base looks really nice. Final thoughts on this thing. I think the price tag might be a little high. It's also extremely difficult to come by as a kit, I've found. I wanted one of these like last year, I think, and just could not find one until recently. USA Gundam Store restocked them. Again, not a sponsored video, just like to give a shout out when I buy things from certain people. It finally came back into stock, and I jumped on it immediately. A couple of friends of mine wanted it, and literally 30 minutes after I placed my order, it was sold out. I know you can find them on eBay. There's different versions of this kit as well. There's the Metal Gear Solid 4 version. Never have I ever seen that come back into stock, so good luck if you find it. But overall, if you're a fan of the series and you want something, a little outside of the box, because this kit definitely is a different design than what you're going to find elsewhere, I'd say jump on it. I think it's definitely worth it. It's a little pricey, but it has great shelf presence, a lot of opportunity for customization, and you're not going to find many kits this detailed. Another thing, just while I have your attention, looking at my YouTube analytics, I can see that roughly 91% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. And while that's fine, if you just want to stop by and check out a video and maybe didn't like the rest of the content, that's cool. But if you do consistently come back to watch my videos and aren't subscribed, clicking that subscribe button is a huge help for me, and it really allows my channel to reach more people. So if that's something you're interested in, again, it helps me out a lot. And if you want to subscribe, that'd be cool. The the next video should be coming up here pretty soon, I hope. And I'll see you guys on that one. If you have any thoughts about the kit, make sure to put them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys down there.